Welcome in, Randino the Randini here. Today is the day. As you know, I'm not a mechanic, but I know one. Anyway, I've been working really hard to get to this day. We had to get power, air, fire, and gas into this car, which had been sitting for 8 years. Here are some things that we replaced to get to this point. We replaced the battery. I cleaned the cold air intake and upper intake manifold. I replaced the distributor cap, spark plugs, and coils. I replaced the fuel injectors, and after inspection I noticed the serpentine belt needed to be replaced. I replaced the fuel filter, gas tank, and filler neck. Let's not forget, I also replaced the oil and the oil pan gasket. Okay, now let's get to what we all want to know. Does it start? Well, I do plan to drive it if it starts, so let's check the lights, flashers, and blinkers. Do we hear the fuel pump engage? Well, that wasn't a start. Remember, one of the 3 things we need to make a car start? Gas. Aha! Gas did it. Almost. Now that is music to my ears. I was sweating it for a moment. No, really. I didn't know if I was going to get it to start. Let's let it run for a moment. Gotta let it sink in. I am surprised it started so quickly.
It's a little louder than I expected.
Yeah, it did seem a little loud to me. After looking, the exhaust needs to be cared for, but that's a different time for a different day. Okay, we got to hear it run. Does it drive? Well, it does drive. I think we're going to need to get the transmission looked at. I'm going to have to hire that out. I can feel every bump, shimmy, and shake. We will need to look at the suspension. Those are all for later. Let's enjoy the ride. This has been fun. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell to be notified when I upload next. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. You haven't done it already? Don't forget to smash the thumbs up if you enjoyed the video, and of course leave comments. I love the interaction.